So I finally graduated with a computer science degree and I decided to make my own e-portfolio website. And this is basically it. I plan on upgrading it and making it better in the future, but as for now, this is my basic e-portfolio. It was kind of rushed, but I tried to make it as well as I can. So, starting off, we have my name and we have a nav bar, and in the nav bar, we have home, skills, about me, portfolio, and feedback. I used to have a feedback section, but I decided to delete it. So if you press on feedback, it just doesn't do anything for now. So I think I should delete it, but I might bring it back. I don't know. But this website is public as for now, and if you go to yusufalhamid.com, you can actually access it. But I think there's something wrong with the servers, so it's not really working today. But maybe when you try it, it'll work. But for now, it's like it just takes too long to load. So that's why I'm accessing it locally instead of from the domain name itself. But if you are wondering what I used hostinger.com, and this isn't really sponsored, of course, but just putting that out there. I just saw that it was the most recommended website for hosting your domain. So basically, this is it. You have a contact me button right here. If you press on it, it will take you to the mail, and it will start. It will open a new draft to send me an email at my personal email, and if you press on home, it takes you to home. Skills takes you to skills, and so on. So here we have the about me section, and I'm a first computer science graduate. I'm passionate about technology and aspire to work at a leading tech company. With a strong foundation in computer science, my interests span across software engineering, game development, and cybersecurity. I thrive on learning new technologies and continuously enhancing my skills with a particular focus on programming languages and system security. So, um, I have a huge interest in game development because I've always been a gamer, but where I live, that's not really a big thing. So that's why I'm not really too focused on it. Plus, I never took any courses about game development, so I don't have the strongest foundation in it. But again, it is a particular interest of mine. But I'm working on a cybersecurity certificate. I'm working on getting the Security Plus certificate from comptia.com. And of course, as a computer science student, you have your fair share of software engineering. And if you press this get in touch with me button, it does the same thing as the contact me button over here, and it starts sending me an email. So, skills. My expertise, I have a good foundational understanding of data structures and algorithms and programming, and I have good people skills, and I am fluent in both English and Arabic because I was born in Saudi Arabia. I'm from Saudi Arabia, so of course I know Arabic. And as for English, I lived for 5 years in America, so I have a pretty good, you know, I'm pretty proficient in the English language, as you can tell, and I got the IELTS score of 7.5, so I think that says enough. And here's another about me section, like that says a little bit more than this right here. This is just like kind of like an introduction, and this just adds on to it. And then my portfolio, here are some projects that I've worked on. Here we have a pixel art generator and a weather app and a to-do list app. And I'm just now realizing that these two are mixed up, the pictures, so I'm gonna have to switch them. Or I think they're good on the website itself because this is a non-updated version because I'm showing it to you locally, so that's not good right now. But if you go to yusufalhamid.com, you'll see it. And if you press this button that says visit my YouTube, it'll actually take you to the YouTube channel that you're watching this video on right now. Currently, I have 126 subscribers with 50 videos, and I hope to increase both of those numbers significantly in the coming year. And that's pretty much it. Home takes you to home, and blog takes you nowhere. I gotta change these buttons. I think, like I said, they're changed, but I just need to fix them. But like I said, I think in the main one, it should be fixed. I just don't know why it's not working. That there's something wrong with the servers currently. But yeah, projects takes you, like, I gotta fix all this. It's probably fixed, like I said. I know I'm repeating myself, I'm sorry, but I really want it to work, but I don't know why it's not working. But yeah, so it's made with love by me, and you have my email and phone number right here, and this button takes you to my LinkedIn, and you can check all those out by your, for yourself whenever you want. And the full code and repository for this website is on my GitHub, and I will make sure to leave a link in the description if you want to check that out, or if you want to do the same thing or add some changes to it or something. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any feedback on what I can do to improve it, or some kind of sources to help me learn more about where I can improve all of this, that would be great if you could leave that in the comments, and along with a rating, of course, because this is my first website and I'm looking for as much criticism as I can get so I can make it as good as I can. But I don't really have too much hope in this because I don't think it's that amazing. So I don't think any job recruiter will look at this and instantly say, oh, I need to get this guy in my company. But at the same time, it is a good way for me to show my basic front-end development skills. And yeah, I just thought I would share it with the world. So thank you for tuning in. Again, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Just a quick little addition. I just want to show you this updated version that I have. I was accidentally showing you the wrong one. So as you can see in this one, you have the proper navbar where at the end it shows you my GitHub, and if you go to it, you can find my portfolio here, and here is the rest of it. And I still gotta fix this right here, these two pictures. I need to swap them, but as you can see, it is a much better navbar, and this one actually works. If you press on about me and stuff like that, it goes to the proper one. So yeah.